Diesel Particulate Filter (DPF). What it means. The DPF traps the soot produced by diesel engines to prevent it from being released into the atmosphere, and filters are increasingly being used in petrol cars, where they are known as gasoline particulate filters (GPF). They are a key weapon in the fight against pollution. However, diesel filters in particular can become clogged up if the car is driven predominantly on short or slow journeys, at which point you'll see this symbol showing a box containing dots. If this is the type of driving you normally do, you may be better off with a petrol, hybrid or electric car. Petrol models are normally cheaper than diesel equivalents to buy, and petrol fuel is cheaper than diesel, too, so unless you do many longer journeys you'll probably save money by ditching diesel. Meanwhile, petrol-electric hybrids are typically most efficient around town as are electric cars, so if you can afford one of these, you won't need to worry about a DPF going wrong. The soot can normally be burned off in a diesel car by driving at motorway speeds for several miles and working the engine reasonably hard, unless the DPF is too full. It's a complex and expensive component, so follow the instructions on trying to clear it in the manual or take the car to a garage to have it checked. What to do? Either take a long, high-speed journey, or drive to a garage as soon as possible. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.